What's up, guys? We are excited that we got a shipment of Difalco controllers in. So this one here is the Difalco DD501. So this is a 3-wire hookup, commercial type hookup. Has adjustable sensitivity and brake pot on this unit. It also has the resistor network. So this one here is a 290 ohm network. So there are different options of that available as an option. So, but it does only come with the 290 network. This is a great unit. I mean, this really is similar to the DD531 that we sell, which is the kind of the top model. This one I believe is 175. Has everything that you need without the choke feature or the traction control feature as they call it now. But we'll set that out of the way. If you want to see what that remote looks like, so this is the DD531. So this has all the bells and whistles. It has coast, it has brake, has traction control, has the resistor network. It also has a relay bypass. So I'll give you guys a close-up. So this is a relay bypass. What that means is that at full throttle, the power goes in via the white wire and directly out through the black wire. It doesn't go through any of this, but this is an awesome unit. I love the green on this one. So we don't have options really ever on the colors, especially on these higher end units, because we are only getting 1 or 2 at a time. But we will on the DD505s, which is what I also have over here. And if I'm yelling, I apologize. Even though I'm wearing a mic, I always feel like I gotta yell because you guys are over there. But this box is full of 10 DD505s. So the DD505s, let's see, that's another green one. We'll find a different color for you. But the DD505 is a 2-wire hookup. They're 90 bucks. It has adjustable sensitivity. Doesn't have a brake pot on it, but I believe that can be added later. But this controller is 90 bucks. 2-wire hookup, so great for your AFX home set, Tyco home set, or anything wired without brakes. It does have the new style trigger on it. Really, really, really smooth. And this thing, I mean, this can run, it's 0 to 100 ohms, so you can really run any HO slot car with this without a problem. These ones, because we do have quite a bit more available, there is options for the colors. I mean, you can request a certain color, and if we haven't, we definitely will let you pick that. This one's red. We had the green, you saw the yellow. Sometimes there are clear and smoke. That's another yellow one. But these will be posted on the site. There's a silver one probably in the next 20 minutes or so. So if you've been waiting for one of these, there's a blue one. It is going to be available in a few minutes on the site. So there's a purple one. So pretty awesome. We got, it looks like we only got 8 of those right now. So we have 8 of those. We have the DD501 and the DD531. So if you haven't watched our controller video, definitely check out our controller video. Between all of these controllers here, we kind of have everything that you could ever ask for. The 505s are fantastic. This is the best $90 you can spend, not only on a controller, but on your hobby. It will change everything when you go to drive different types of cars at different voltages. You have adjustability and you have the dependability of the Difalco brand. They've been around for a long time, for the entire time I've been in the hobby. Jim's in Florida. They are American made, so that's pretty cool too. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. We will see you on the next one.